If your kids really love trains, then you have to check out this really cool kids train set. First off, let's look at the train. This train is really cool because it is battery operated. So at push a button, all they have to do is push this button on top. And when they do push it, it's gonna light up. And as you can see on the bottom, the wheels are gonna turn. And this is so powerful, it actually pushes it right up the hills, everything. You can pull a couple other cars. My kids have attached a couple more cars onto it, and it can pull those too. I love the colors of this. It's not like your typical train color. They're really pretty and vibrant to the eye. And then right on the middle there, that's where they're gonna go ahead and it has a magnet there and they're gonna connect. So the tracks are really nice too. To connect them, they are just gonna go ahead and snap right together. And they do hold together pretty well. So if someone kind of bumps it, it's not gonna all fall apart on you. Now some of the pieces that come on here, one of my kids' favorite parts here is the switch track. You can go ahead and just manually go ahead and switch that right there. It comes with 2 of them. And that's really fun, just so it's not the same thing over and over again. It gives them a little interaction, lets them switch it up a little bit. It also has a crossing gate, which moves up and down. It also comes with a couple trees, bushes, and a couple signs right here. It also has 2 tunnels here, which just makes it so much fun because it lets it go up to like a second level for you. So it has this tunnel, and then I love the detail on these. You can see the windows on it, the tops, there's railings to it. So this is really nice for all ages. My older kids, they love helping me put it together, and they can actually put it together themselves fairly easy. And my younger kids, they love playing with it. They love, since it is battery operated, they can just watch it go around, let it kind of be for a little bit, and it's really entertaining for them. So it also comes with a storage bag, so when it's time for cleanup, it's really convenient. Just go ahead and toss it all in and put it away until next time. So if you have a kid who loves trains and you're looking for a really nice train set, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.